Okay, so I'm going to explain the method I'm going to use in my first interview practice recording. In the practice interview recording, I'm going to be doing a question off of HackerRank. And right now I'm going to describe how I'm going to solve the solution before I've seen it. So the first thing I'll do is I'll read the question out loud to my interviewer, and as I'm reading the question, if there's any constraints that I think of, I'll be sure to clarify those constraints with the interviewer before moving forward. Then I'm gonna break into some pseudocode. I don't, depending on the interviewer, I think they may not, or may not want you to do this. If the problem is trivial, then I'll go ahead and move on, skipping the pseudocode step entirely. We'll see if that's a prudent strategy or not. So the pseudocode is going to be a simple 1, 2, 3 steps list, and the first step I'll describe how I'll do something, and then the second step I'll also describe how I'll do something. Just a very high level picture of the problem. As I'm working through the pseudocode, I might have more constraints that I can clarify with the interviewer. Then after we've got all those the pseudocode and clarifications out of the way, we'll begin coding the solution to the problem, implementing the solution to the pseudocode. So ultimately, we're going to test the solution eventually, and I'll be trying to practice how I can demonstrate my code without actually running it. I had some issues with that in the last interview, and hopefully I can address it with some more practice.